Subscribe to the Holley Bros.
So we're at Rush Hospital for Jhames to see Dr. Cole about his knee.
Yep. All right, y'all. So basically, we got good news. It's either I'm gonna have to get a little piece taken out, or they're gonna repair the whole thing, depending on to what extent it is damaged. Hopefully, we can get it repaired, even though that does sound like it has a longer recovery time.
Alright, so we just met with Dr. Cole, and he works with the Bears and the Bulls teams, and he's professional.
I'm getting my last swings in, my last little workout in before I get my surgery. It's bittersweet, but I'm gonna have some fun out here today.
Yeah. Texas Rangers, man. Get the Astros out of here. Get them out of here.
Anybody but the Astros?
My name's Jacob, and I'm praying for Jhames to have sexual surgery tomorrow.
Yeah, Dr. Cole's team. Come up, talk to you.
Hey, how you feeling?
Tired.
Tired? Ready to get it done?
Yeah.
Mommy and Daddy here with Jhames through this process. Looking forward to work out well, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It's already done.
Amen.
Amen.
We'll see you in a bit, okay? All right, son, you're off.
I'll see y'all later.
All right. All right, so everything was successful, Jay?
I'm not even here right now, for real.
Yeah, he's coming out of anesthesia.
This junk feels great. I need them to tell me what this is.
So he doesn't have the big brace on. See right there. They only had to, they didn't need it, huh, honey?
No, he's not gonna need it.
God did. God did.
He had to have the minimal surgery and not the whole.
Yeah.
Well, wait though. Why am I acting like?
So he should be back soon, right?
Yeah. Be back in the saddle in no time. Yeah.
Hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry. I want some food.
Going home.
Yep.
James was starving to death, and he was not going to be left in the truck while his dad went in to get the food. He said he's going in, order his own food. And so now here he comes. Technically don't need the crutches, but he'll probably be using them for the next couple days or so.
First, I just want to thank God for allowing my surgery to be successful with no complications post-op. I'm going to thank Dr. Cole for doing his thing, because he already sounded like he knew what he was talking about, but he proved it to me today. Really took care of me. Everybody at the hospital took good care of me. I want to thank everybody who supported me, sent me good wishes and just prayers. And can't wait to be back on the field. Just really excited right now. I want to get up and start running around right now, but probably not a good idea.